For persons deprived of liberty, time inside is not just a sentence. It's a test of dignity, hope, and opportunity. To turn deprivation into transformation, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology partnered with Bicol University in the project Expanding Productive Opportunities or EXPO to empower PDLs in the province of Albay through livelihood and technical skills training. Since 2019, over 200 PDLs have been trained in various programs: arts and craft, food processing, automotive servicing, solid waste entrepreneurship, and basic electronics. EXPO doesn't just teach skills, it restores purpose, rebuild lives, and prepare PDLs for reintegration with dignity. Bicol University aims to expand EXPO's reach across more BJMP facilities, bridging education, rehabilitation, and inclusive nation building. Because every life, no matter where it begins or what it's been through, deserves a second chance to learn, grow, and thrive.
Skills training is one of the program na ini-implement po namin sa aming mga PDLs. So ito po yung way para mabigyan sila ng training kung ano man yung available skills na meron sila. Para at least paglabas nila sa society ay meron silang baon-baon at magagamit nila.
We already have established a memorandum of agreement in 2018 and it has continuing since this day. But looking ahead, we thought of transforming not only the lives of the PDLs through short training program, through a degree